Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. Marttiini is a Finnish knife manufacturer since 1928. They make traditional Scandinavian puukko or lap knives, but they also have a range of more modern knives. I will describe the MFK as Benchmade's anti-bugout knife. It's a simple pocket knife, very well designed and made. It's simple and effective. And what's more, it costs only $55. So, why the anti-bugout knife? It's simple. $55 instead of $160. No comment. It has an 8 cm blade made of Japanese stainless steel. I don't have any details to offer on the steel in question. It's not S30V, but it does the job very well. I can still say that the steel is quite wear resistant, holds its edge well, and is easy to sharpen. It has a very nice blade shape and a nice grind. A pretty little 8 cm blade with some studs, so it opens ambidextrously. The handle is the opposite of the bugout. Steel plates, a screwed assembly, and olive wood scales in my case, but also available in curly birch. Curly birch is a birch burl, hence the interlaced grain patterns. It's solid, both the steel of the body and the wood of the scales. The total weight is still 126 grams, compared to the 51 grams of the bugout. You get what you pay for. Marttiini didn't skimp on materials. It exudes quality, which is what you expect from a knife designed for the outdoors. And let's not forget that we benefit from a safety feature on the blade, a liner lock. The lanyard hole is quite wide, allowing you to use a small strap weathered on paracord. This allows for a variety of uses. The belt clip has excellent retention and the spring is really firm, overbuilt and massive. This is my definition of an anti-bugout knife. And that's not all. I had the bright idea of taking it apart to clean it and forget to reapply thread locker to the 4-plate screw. As a result, I lost one. I took a chance by sending a quick email to Marttiini customer service explaining my mishap. They were lovely and sent me not one but 2 screws. When you buy an affordable knife, you don't necessarily expect premium after-sales services, and yet this is the case. Thank you to Marttiini for their kindness and efficiency. The next time I talk to you about Marttiini, it will be to tell you about my traditional fixed blade, a lap shape. Have you heard of Marttiini knives? What's your favorite model? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share and comment. It really helps out the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.